we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Airbnb app. You just click on it here, or search for it here. Add here Airbnb app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.